Okay, so here we go. Here's a look at the box. Compatible with the iOS device. This is the second generation version of AirPods Pro. You have the Apple logo, AirPods Pro, and yeah, let's get into unboxing this. Let's see. There we go. Designed by Apple in California. And there they are. Let's open this up. So there we go. It says, I can't read that, but yeah, here they are. I think they're charged up already, but yeah. And then I think under here we have the charger. Standard charger. And then now we're gonna unbox this case that my girlfriend had got me. I need a knife. So here we go. It's a nice case. It also comes with, put it around your arm. And let's see if these fit in here. I think it goes like this. Yeah, this is really nice. And I think this goes around here like this. I also have like kind of like a keychain for it as well. And I think this is made by, I forgot what brand this was. Oh, compatible with MagSafe, but it's called Galaprox. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit like out of it. I just woke up this morning, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing, and yeah, thank you guys. Bye.